What if I told you that cats might actually be outsmarting dogs? Sounds crazy, right? Sure, dogs have more brain cells and are easier to train, but let's dive into the sneaky intelligence of cats. They learn by watching us, can open doors, solve puzzles, and even recognize their names. They just choose to ignore us. That's not laziness, it's strategy. One study even showed that cats can decide when to respond, proving they think independently. So, who's smarter? The loyal, obedient dog or the mysterious, clever cat? Drop your vote in the comments. Are you team dog or team cat? Let the battle begin.